The main innovation of the B58 engine is its split cooling system. In the B38 and B48 TU engines, a single cooling concept is used, whereas the cooling concept of the N63 TU2 engine was revised. In the B58 system, an electrically actuated separate coolant valve allows the engine crankcase to be disconnected from the coolant flow during the warm-up phase and during partial load operation when required. In this mode, the coolant circulates only through the cylinder head, enabling the engine to reach its operating temperature more quickly and reducing emissions under partial load. When the cooling demand increases during normal operation, the electrically actuated separate coolant valve connects the crankcase cooling circuit. This ensures improved heat dissipation from the engine. The engine crankcase is separated from the main cooling circuit by a dedicated coolant valve, which is installed directly on the thermal management module. When required, the electronic gasoline engine management system activates the separate coolant valve and closes the outlet for crankcase cooling. During this phase, coolant flows to the cylinder head exclusively via the outlet of the coolant pump. The design and function of the coolant pump have been adapted to meet the requirements of split cooling. The coolant pump features two outlet ports, one connected to the cylinder head and the other to the engine crankcase. Coolant is supplied to the cylinder head via the first path and directly to the crankcase via the second. The coolant pump housing is also equipped with a pressure relief valve. Depending on the engine operating mode, the thermal management module and the separate coolant valve can restrict coolant flow to individual cooling circuits. As pump operation continues, system pressure increases. If the pressure exceeds a defined threshold, the pressure relief valve opens and connects to a bypass channel, allowing most of the coolant to circulate within the coolant pump. The function of the engine thermal management module is equivalent to that used in the B38 and B48 TU engines. This module is specifically adapted for six-cylinder engines. As with other modular engines, the separate coolant valves are bolted directly to the thermal management module. A rotary valve within the thermal management module ensures cooling of individual engine components according to demand. The position of the rotary valve is adjusted based on the engine operating mode, allowing precise opening or closing of the respective coolant passages.